So hey guys, hey, what's up? It's Thomas here. Today I'm going to be telling you some of my favorite hair treatment products that I use on my hair. So if you want to find some amazing hair treatments, I'm your girl who's gonna show you, who's gonna tell you exactly what to get. Number one thing is, like I always like to say, number one thing, I love to use Aphogee treatment. I've been using that for a year, and my sister actually introduced me to Aphogee treatment. So that treatment is amazing. So if you want a good hair protein treatment to use Aphogee treatment. My second treatment I love to use is dew glow treatment, because when my hair was damaged and it was brittle and it was dry, I used myself some dew glow treatment. So the dew glow treatment is it's blue, you know. It comes with a bottle and it comes with a package, just as the Aphogee treatment too. It comes with a package also. So if you want a mini sample package, or if you want, you can buy the big bottles. And the Aphogee has so much lines you can choose from. So as the dew glow treatments, they have a lot of, like, you know, things to choose from. What I use it's the other treatment I use in my hair. It's like castor oil treatment. I do like a castor oil treatment. What I do is I oil my hair every single day, and then I tie my hair every single night. So that's a nice treatment too. You can also use coconut oil, coconut oil as a treatment in your hair. Like boil your coconut oil, and then you wait till you can boil it with castor oil and coconut oil. Boil it together. Wait till it cool down. Then massage your hair with it. Put it on your scalp like every single day, and that's gonna help your hair to grow too. So yeah, I also do the avocado treatment with argan oil. So I put some avocado in a bowl, and I put some argan oil, and I mix it all together, and I just use it in my hair, use it as a conditioner in my hair. So I do that like every 2 weeks in my hair as a treatment. I let it sit, and sometimes I also use aloe vera on my hair. So aloe vera is also natural treatment. If you want to go to the home-based treatments, aloe vera is also bomb. There's a lot of videos on ways you can do aloe vera treatment, and I also have a video on my channel how I use aloe vera treatment too. And I also have a video on how I use the dew glow treatment in my hair, and I also have a video on how I use the Aphogee treatment. So everything you need is right here on my channel. So I hope that you guys like use these treatment products that I tell you. And if you have no clue and how to use them, all you gotta do is go on to my videos. Or if you're not really on my channel and you're watching this video and you have no clue who I is, what you can do is go down and look at the name, and then click the name, and then you could go and watch my videos. And don't forget, girls, don't forget, guys, to click that button and subscribe. Okay, click it to subscribe so you can see more of my videos. Okay, so thank you guys for watching, and don't forget, if you want to see my face everywhere, if you want to get to know me more, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Glamorous Marana 2, and I'm also on Twitter, Marana911. So yeah, follow me, subscribe to me. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching.